We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about Palantir stock up 13.49%. This is my new format. Don't worry, it's not going to be the only format. We're going to have plenty of formats here on the channel now that I have a green screen. I've got this giant TV that I can point my phone at and act like a weatherman, except instead of pointing at numbers telling you what the weather is for the day, I'm going to be pointing at candles telling you what the share price is currently and where to buy. So here we are at $34.53 right now. I told you guys that if we got that breakout up here at $30, we would see a huge breakout to 30 and then 35 and then possibly 40 could be next. We are getting a massive pump on Palantir. I remember when this thing hit a bottom of $5. Was it $5? It was $7. Ooh. It was so cheap back then. Look at this. Look at this money being made. Congratulations to the people who buy and hold Palantir stock. You are smart. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people who don't know how to buy and hold. They'd rather go to penny stocks and hope for a big volatile move for 10,000x, even though we're not in 2021 or 2020 anymore. They're still living in delusion. So congratulations to the winners here. We're holding. Congratulations if you bought at $30 when I told you guys, keep an eye on this one, because if this breaks out, when it does, it's going to go to 35 and 40. Now, what I would look for is a pullback. You do not want to chase. That's not what we're about on this channel. We're not looking to chase. If you want to chase, there's plenty of YouTube channels that'll tell you to chase. But here we are. We keep getting these breakouts. Okay, here's breakout number one. Here's the breakout where I told you guys, like, get in here. Look at this. You see this? Look at all these breakouts. This thing just keeps creating higher floors, higher highs, higher lows. It just keeps on going. We don't know when the train is going to stop, but if it's going to continue this pattern, then we should definitely hold back and wait for a pullback, because if you buy right now, you might end up kicking yourself if it comes back down under 30. Or maybe we go into a bear market. Don't forget that recently we created a double top on the SPY as well. So as long as this is going to stay here at 35, again, I think just wait, hold off. It'll pull back. Things don't go straight up forever. Things don't just get huge green candles day after day. Eventually, it will pull back. It's done it already multiple times. If it's going to pull back, let's see, how much did this pull back? It pulled back, what, from 33 to a low of 30? So it pulled back $3. So if this pulls back, it'll pull back to around 31 to 32. If it does, it might not, because, I mean, it's Palantir stock. I don't think anyone should be surprised by the fact that this one has been moving, because it got added to the S&P 500. That's a nice little pop there, but wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. Do not buy in right now. Let's see. Upside, downside, analyst firm. Let's look at the price targets. $38, $35. Everyone else has it lower. 35, 35. Wow, that's a lot of price targets. They're all over. These price targets are they're all over the place. Are you kidding me? This stock gets government contracts. This stock has a lot going for it. Why are these guys giving it such low? Yeah, those are some really low analyst targets, huh? 9/9/2024. So this was what, today? 15.61% upside if it goes to $38. Which it absolutely can. But I'm just telling you, don't chase. Look for the pullback. Let's look at the lower time frames, because this thing has not pulled back. It has not pulled back. Let's look at the 10-minute and see what's going on. It's consolidating up here at 35s. If it pulls back, our biggest support is going to be 33, then followed by 32. There's that huge pump. Yeah, so wait for the pullback, guys. We wait for the trading range. For those of you who don't know, the trading range is what I'm looking for. Look at that. The trading range is very clear here. Look at this. Came up. Here's the trading range, and then a huge explosion. Came back down here, formed a trading range, and exploded. Formed a trading range, exploded. Formed a trading range, exploded. It's going to pull back and form another trading range. And we would expect another explosion as long as it continues this pattern. So that's why I'm telling you, like, just wait for the pullback. I know some of you are thinking, well, what if it continues running? What if it goes from 34 to 48? What then? What then, Shades? I'm going to miss out. Well, you wouldn't miss out because you already bought at 30 when I told you the first time. So And I wouldn't sell if I was you. If you bought at 30, I wouldn't sell. I'd hold for 40 at this point. But if you're not in it, just wait for a pullback. You don't want to be the one that gets bagged and then we go back down to $7. You don't want to, yeah, because people, I don't know about you, I like sleeping good at night. I don't like sitting there looking at my portfolio going, oh my God, I bought the top. Why did I buy the top? I should not have bought the top. Oh no. Anyways, that's it for the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one.